I was about to get wrecked. Oh no.
Oh no.
The brownout is waving. Let's go.
Morty's team,
Still brown out.
after the initial clash or during the initial clash, if Star is ready to take it. Go, go, go. Go to Star, Prima. Morty. No one's
Oh
pushing
no,
there.
so
No, solar.
guys, we are green ah. We are green. We are green.
Nice one. Um, Illumi is on moon, but we already locked it.
Oh, triple lock.
Triple lock.
We're helping at
Oh
moon,
no, I died again.
coming from the bottom.
Lag.
And over here. Oh my god. Overextend. Come.
Oh, PvP on Sun. PvP on Sun.
Let's go back to sun. Need to help them now.
Main forces to moon. Main forces to moon.
Illumian moon. Illumian moon.
Okay, give them moon. Give them moon. Let's respond in moon. Go to Star instead. Respond in moon. Go to Star. Are we gonna make it? Morty, stop. Double lock. Get ready, Panda. They will go there next.
Yeah, they're here
Moon
now.
will open up in a few seconds. So let's prepare an assault to Moon.
The
Main
forces
forces
are moving.
respond in Moon, please. Come on, while they're taking Sun, let's go to Moon. Use your Soul Force, guys. Soul Force water.
Gusto po. Ang dami nila.
Oh,
Asan
wala.
ka?
Oh, blue bell. Okay.
I'm in moon. I'm in moon.
Come rest at sun.
Random rest, random rest. FS.
Can still salvage moon, guys.
No. We
Oh.
got wiped. We got wiped.
Super lag.
We're still leading by 100, guys. Let's pick up the pace.
Ang lag.
They got Star. Sun will open up, I believe. Let's give up on Moon. Let's go to Sun.
X dying ah.
Sun is not ours.
Kill the FS. Nice. Careful, Cheeto is now here.
Bluebell is on Sun. Spawn camping. Endes kung wala kang kalaban, punta ka spawn.
No, this is bad.
Fighting the main warlocks here.
Prima, papoke nga, Morty's team papoke ng Moon. Para at least man lang mag, sila. Dalawang isip.
I respond in moon.
They got Sun. They got Sun locked. Let's go to Moon. Let's see if we can push it. Go back
Gonna delay
to
them.
Moon. Respawn in Moon. Drop your oblis early.
Ow. So
Die
painful.
again.
Ay, shit. I dropped obli, but they got... let's regroup. Let's regroup. They locked in everything, but Star will open up first. Respawn in Moon. Walk towards Star. If you don't have Star spawn. Let's take one tablet at a time. But Anchor still retain your position.
Oh, how did I die? They still got energy X. Main
Keep them
forces
busy
on
there,
sun.
Panda. After we lock this, we're gonna go.
Let's go Moon after this. Nice. Go, 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 go. Ready your soul force, ah. Illumi is here. Illumi is here.
Panda, I did Radiant.
Okay. We're fighting here. And I can't wipe them. Jax are here now. Careful on the Jax.
No, after moon, go to mobs. 15 seconds till mobs. Then star, prepare.
They took sun.
I got moon spawn mobs.
Illumi in sun.
Prepare sun, they will defend.
Illumi died. Clearing them.
Illumi where?
There's sun.
Okay,
Already
okay.
dead.
Lock in sun and then go to moon if we can.
They have
Moon, moon,
strong
moon.
ranger.
Moon hard, moon hard, moon hard.
No, no, no. Disperse. Go to star. They will push star next. They will push star next. Go to star.
Going.
We can't afford to wait for them to change color because they can outnumber us. They're not doing anchors, they're doing move as one.
It's the ranger. The ranger. Kill the ranger. Yung RG nag-change to ranger.
Ah. Let's go, son. It's too late for us to join moon. Are we still gonna make it?
Yes, stop.
Okay, good. Illumi is here. Sun. On sun tablet mismo.
I'm on Illumi.
Nice.
Okay, disperse.
Sun disperse. Go to star.
Good.
After we take star, moon will be unlocked, so they will push there. We need to be able to defend it if we want to close the gap.
Illumi died. Illumi so squishy pala.
Bluebell?
That
What
ranger.
kind of title is that?
Kill the ranger.
Immediately after clearing star, let's go to moon. I think we can still make it. Can we make it?
Think so.
No. We can make it. Ay. After moon, go to sun.
Let's go.
Ouch. Star rest. Nice.
Salvage star?
Why?
Can we?
Can we make it to star? Illum Chuck party is going to sun, ah.
Everybody on moon.
We will kill this.
Regroup on moon.
Everybody's on moon. Dead again.
Fight inside. Change color already.
Dami nila! Oh my gosh! It's swarming!
Bluebell is catching. That
Change
ranger.
color, son.
So annoying, that ranger.
Lock in sun. 40 seconds till OB. I'm already positioning myself. They're going here also. I need a party to clear. I can't position in OB.
Oh, we got intercepted.
I died.
I'm just gonna get moon, then we're gonna go.
Oh my gosh, so many.
Okay, go,
It's
go,
not
go, go, go,
it's
go.
not on OB itself, ah.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
Aray! Oh no.
the GX is catching me.
I used up all my buffs already. We lost OB. We lost OB. We lost OB.
Damn, that was close.
We were.
Ah,
It's not over yet. It's not over yet, guys. It's not over yet.
what?
Anchors to position.
Nar.
We still
Pero we
more
lost. We lost Moon. We lost Moon. I think it's GG. Not unless they choke.
Ah, this
Let's
Ranger.
lower the score, Leia. 600 is the goal.
600 is the goal.
Yes.
Okay. The lowest we got them was 700, right?
Yeah.
Let's open up Moon. Let's open up Moon.
It's not done yet. We will win even if we lose. Come on, guys. Positive thinking, yarn.
I did not expect their RG became Ranger. Ah.
They positioned earlier than me, just a few seconds earlier. I saw them already. I don't have anyone with me.
But I think this is good. If we got Obi there, the score would be around 400. Yeah. Still a good
Mm.
GL.
Still a good GL. Remember guys, this is a Frontera server. An active guild in Frontera.
Yeah.
So, it's still a good GL. We're improving every time.
GG.
How did I? Very good positioning, this Ranger. I can't.
Lock it in. Ah!
GG's. See, look at that endless. My God.
It's so hard to position.
Takyu is their main killer right now, ah. What happened to the Thai RG? Ay!
That's the Thai
The Thai
RG, the
RG
Ranger.
switched to Ranger.
Yeah, the Ranger.
Lakas oh, 190.
Am I correct? Is that the
Yes.
same? Is that the same Thai name?
Yeah,
Can
I
someone
think
double check?
so.
Yes, it's the same.
yeah.